Going on, everybody? Today we are going to be working on the Dart. We're going to be putting on a set of Manzo lowering springs to have in the back of the car. I did actually attempt this last week and it went terrible. We got the front driver's side shock and strut assembly out, and for some reason we could not get the passenger side out. And then for no reason the nuts on top of the shocks were super rusty, even though no other bolt was, and so we couldn't even get it apart. So this week we came armed with an electric impact, and we're gonna try again. So I'm gonna real quick just show off the springs. It's just a standard set of lowering springs. These actually are very long for lowering springs, so I'm kind of confused by it. Those are the fronts. This little fucking fat chode is a rear. So right now we got Antoine jacking up the car, being lazy about it.
Sorry, jack up you.
You're fucking bullshitting the whole time. Then we got the battery to the impact on the charger, so that it'll be fully powered by the time we're ready to start actually using it. And then I will also be showing off a new set of wheels I got on the car. They're actually currently on the car, but I'm not going to show them yet until later on, because I'm hoping to show them off with better fitment. If not, I'm going to just show them. But I'll see you guys in just a minute. Oh Lord. Alright, so we got the lowering spring on and the stock spring off. I should have held them up next to each other to compare them. I'll do it on the next spring, but it was kind of a pain, but we got it figured out. So everything is pretty much torn apart. All there is the steering, the inner and outer tie rod, and the brake line. It's not tugged on. Still got some looseness to it. What's your complaints?
Your complaint is that you took this off first, right? While that was still inside the damn, where we call it,
Shock tower? Yeah.
And then we had a struggle.
I mean, no, we only struggled to get the lower ball joint out, and for like half a second we struggled to get the strut out until I smacked it with a hammer and then kicked it and it came out. True story. We were hitting it with the hammer and he couldn't hit it hard enough because fucking he was sitting down. Like, let me do it. I smacked it once, it came halfway out, and then I was like, and then fucking it came the rest of the way out. So let's see if I could just hold the stock spring up to it. I'm not going to show much because this is slightly compressed, but ooh. And then you got all the way up to there. So it's about 2 extra.
Wait, we'll just go in the back and just grab a stock. I mean the other one.
That's true. I kind of didn't think about that.
Yeah, I'll put the trunk down. So...
Yeah, I fucked up. I left the trunk open. Everything got really hot. It got really hot today. It was not this hot this last week, which, being somebody who's lived in Arizona my whole life, I should have known better than to think last week's weather would dictate this week's. All right, here, let's... So, I don't know how well you guys can see it. It's slightly shorter, honestly.
By one cool.
Yeah, it's about a winding shorter. But these were a very mild drop. These are only like 1.13 inch drop.
Now I can see where that is right.
Yeah. I'm just trying to roll around now. But you guys get the point. So we're going to keep working. Ooh, waffles. We're going to keep working and get the other side done. And then we'll get the rears out. I would show you guys more how to do it, but there's enough videos out there on the Dart. And we're doing it in ways we're not proud of and we'd get made fun of, so... big news. This dude gonna let me borrow $800 to buy a big turbo, right?
That's Jack.
Alright, fine. I'll talk to you guys later. So we got the rear spring out. We haven't done the other side, but... just want to do an example. I don't really understand how these are lowering springs. I noticed these coils are a lot more tightly compact, so maybe they compress a little more. Not entirely sure. I didn't make the spring. All I know is it works because my front fitment's tight, but I can't show you yet because I would be showing the wheels, and I want to wait until the car is like
going on right now.
fully done. Is it me really going on right now?
Yeah.
Let's throw these fucking springs in there. Yeah, we'll catch you on another side. We're going to a car meet. So everybody, this is actually the next week, and this is the final look of the car for now. The car has settled about 1.5, almost 2 inches, like 1.75, I'd say. They're supposed to be 1.13, and then this is the new wing. It's a little hard to tell from the side, so I'll step to the back. Wing, rear diffuser, the new wheels, which they are Motegi MR147s. I think they're 17x8 and matte bronze. They always look shiny on camera. With a set of Achilles ATR Sport 2s. Here's the front lip. And then today, actually right after I finish recording here, we are going to be detailing this paint with a detailing kit I bought. We're going to attempt it, see how it goes. But I just wanted to show the car off real quick. I don't care to show it in too much detail since like the paint on here is so terrible. You see stuff like dirt all over it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you stay till the next video to see the car fully detailed and looking way better than it ever has before since I've owned it.
Stay hydrated.
Peace. Stay hydrated.